Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more orange-based mocktail. The mocktail name is Orange Island Punch. How to make Orange Island Punch? First of all, take a shaker glass, add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then you have to add some lemon juice. After that, you have to add 10 ml of peach syrup. Then you have to add some muscovado syrup. That's it. Then you have to pour like 180 ml of orange juice. Shake all the ingredients properly. Okay. Then you will do one thing. First of all, take a one fancy glass and add some watermelon syrup. That's it. Then shake all the ingredients and pour into the glass. Okay. After that, what you'll do? Just take any type of fancy glass, add some blue Coroco. Then you have to pour soda. Slowly pour the drinks from the. That's it. See how that very fancy color came for this mocktail. This is the like orange Island Punch Mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please try this mocktail and see how the three layer came for this mocktail and different layer in the orange, that watermelon and the green color. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.